Our next topic is Newman formula for mutual inductance. Here we consider two loops, loop 1 and loop 2 kept very close to each other. This is loop 1 and this is loop 2. Let I1 be the current passing through the loop 1. It will produce a magnetic field B1, magnetic field B1, and some of the field lines pass through loop 2. Some of the field lines pass through the loop 2. B1 is the magnetic field due to loop 1. Let phi21 be the flux of B1 through the loop 2. From Biot-Savart law, we have B1 is equal to mu 0 divided by 4 pi I1 into closed integral d dl1 divided by r square into unit vector r. This is Biot-Savart law. Therefore, phi21 equal to closed integral b1 dot ds2 surface integral s2, thus for the second loop. Thus phi21 is equal to M21. M21 is the mutual inductance between these two loops into I1. Phi21 equal to integral b1 dot ds2 equal to integral del cross a1 dot ds2, where b is equal to del cross a. Equal to this surface integral can be converted into a closed line integral a1 dot dl2. And we have substituting a1 equal to mu 0 I1 divided by 4 pi into integral dl1 divided by r. Therefore, phi 21 equal to mu 0 after substituting phi 21 is equal to mu 0 I1 divided by 4 pi into A1 is equal to mu 0 I1 by 4 pi. It can be taken outside the integral, and there is another integral. Therefore, it is double integral, double closed integral d L1 divided by R dot d L2. Here we substitute A1 with this term. Comparing with phi 21 is equal to M21. There is an equation phi 21 is equal to M21 into I1. Comparing these two equations. Therefore, M21 is equal to I1. There is I1. There is also I1. We can cancel this I1. Comparing M21 is equal to mu 0 divided by 4 pi into double integral, double closed integral d L1 dot d L2 divided by R. This equation is known as Newman formula for mutual inductance.